Love hurts, love scars, love would it must I think of the times when you were still mine, and I'm blue. Got to get away, get you out of my mind. I'm caught up in time, and I'm blue. I'm locked in my chains, and you're free. Wanna let us go? I'm down on the ground. I'm tired of being down, and you're free. I miss all the fun that we had. You were always around me. I about the way I live the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing the song that maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of the windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Many times I've been a traveler, I looked for something new. In the days of old when the nights were cold, I wandered without you. But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of the windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I can hear the sound of the windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Time remembered well, when the strong young man of the rising sun and the tolling of the great black bell. One day in the year of the fox, when the bell began to ring, meant the time had come for the could see by the shine in his eyes, the answer has been found. Back with the people and the sickly stands, giving, feeding, with just one touch of a strong right hand. They know of the temple and the king. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answers on the telephone, and the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end alone. Till now, I've always got my own. I never really get till I met you, and now it's just been so long. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was going to tell you tonight. But secret still my own, and my love for you still unknown. Alone. Till now, I always got my own. I never really get till I met you, and now it's just been so long. How do I get you alone? How do I get you But all years of life is still trying to get back with big love hope. Follow destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so I come sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it on what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. So I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath. to battle, soon to beat you war. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. But what if we had said that we could never happen to us? How rude could it be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, broken down the bed to set the scene and memories scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe what victims of love cannot retrieve. It used to be so easy, it used to be so good. We had an understanding that got misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down. But now we're just outsiders as love comes tumbling down. Victims of love, broken down the bed to set the scene and memory scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe what a victims of love we cannot retrieve. Maybe we played a bit too short and everything was hearts and roses. But fate still didn't close the door. We were just left standing and we realized the ending was so near. Where do we go from here? Victims of love, broken down and fair to set the scene and memories scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe what a victims of love. Victims of love, we are the victims of love. We all day staring at the ceiling, making friends with shadows on my wall. And all night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep because tomorrow might be good for something. Hold on, feeling like I'm headed for it breakdown, and I don't know why. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see the different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. I'm talking to myself in public, dodging glances on the train. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. If the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're all there. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stayed just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadows hide the color of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the nights. Peace the star in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're all there. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stayed just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Ang minsan nating pagkikita, mulit muling naaalala. Mga ngiti mo na tumutunaw sa puso ko, ganito ang aking nadarama. Tinangka kong ika'y hanapin upang muli ay kausapin, at nang masabi ang damdamin ko para sa'yo, ngunit hanggang ngayon'y bigo ako. Ay nako, puso'y nalilito, minsan ka lang nakita ay umibig na sa'yo. Ay nako, kung naririnig mo problemang puso ko'y tulungan mo. Nagulat minsan ang puso ko dahil yakap mo at hinahagkan ako. Hinagkan din kita't niyakap ng buong higpit, ngunit ito pala'y panaginip. Ay nako, puso'y nalilito, minsan ka lang nakita ay umibig na sa'yo. Ay nako, kung naririnig mo problemang puso ko'y tulungan mo. Ay nako, puso'y nalilito, minsan ka lang nakita ay umibig na sa'yo. Ay nako, kung naririnig mo problemang puso ko'y tulungan mo. Ay nako, puso'y nalilito, minsan ka lang nakita ay umibig na sa'yo. Ay nako, kung naririnig mo problemang puso ko'y tulungan mo. Oh, life is bigger than you. You are not me. The lengths that I will go to is dance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much, set it up. That's me in the corner, that's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much, haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing, I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try. Every whisper of every waking hour, I'm choosing my confessions, trying to keep eye on you, like a bird lost and blind. Oh no, I've said too much, I set it up. that you can play. Repeating as if it matters. Everything I wanna say. I'll be alright as long as it matters. As long as you're here with me now. Forget the sign, it's nothing. We touch and see. All this fighting and messing rushes down on me. I'm looking around, there's nothing that I want more than to tell you there's no more than we've already got. little out of touch, a little insane. Just easy than dealing with the pain. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow neither here nor there. Runaway train, never coming back. Runaway train, tearing up the track. Runaway train, burning in our veins. Runaway, but it always seems the same. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow my page. Maraming salamat.